Alright, welcome to my channel guys, and today we're going to take a look at a few of the brand new Cydia tweaks that just got dropped yesterday and today. And I already have installed on my device. They're really awesome, and in my opinion they're must-have Cydia tweaks for your jailbroken device. Now before we start this video and before we dive into these Cydia tweaks, please let me ask you guys to subscribe to my channel and also smash that bell icon so you guys get notified when I drop a next video like this. Now that's out of the way, let's get this video started and let me show you guys. Just like always, we're gonna go into Cydia, and once we open up the Cydia, you can go to search bar and search for these Cydia tweaks. But what I'm going to do, I'm gonna go into install and I'm gonna go into recent, and the first Cydia tweak we are going to talk about is this one right here, Contacy VN. Now Contacy VN is basically this tweak right here. As you guys can see right there, the description: keep in touch with your friends. Contacy can show the notification of your contact from app like iMessage, Instagram, third party support is needed. And as you guys can see the functions, contact notification on your lock screen, quick action with hectic touch, privacy setting allow you to hide specific contact when your device is locked. So then the next section right here, it says it can host up to 3 notifications from contact. When you receive new notification, the last one in Contacy will be paused back to iOS notification list. And as you guys can see, comparability comparable with tweak including simple LS2, jellyfish, and dairy. So there is the little screenshot, and also as you guys can see right here, there is the version 1.0.0, and it is comparable with the 13.0 to 14.6. Now this one is paid version, but there is the, you guys need to download this one right here, Contacy VN, and I'm going to put the information in the description below so you guys can get it. So once you download this, all you have to do, go into your setting application and go to all the way down till you see Contacy. It's this one right here, and open this up, and this is the interface. And as you guys can see, Contacy settings. So the first option is to enable this, and then from here, security. Now the security basically means that you can hide these elements when your phone is locked. So hide contact with lock, and then you hide the label when locked, and hide avatar when locked. And also the next last option is this one right here, and show app icon and circle bubbles. So you can turn those on, and these options that you guys seeing right now on my device, they are actually default. But at the same time, I just want to mention that once you download this and go to come to this section right here, all you have to do, hit, you can turn on or turn off these options, but you really have to respring your device for this to able to take effect. It's that simple, that easy, and it's really nice tweak, and I highly recommend you guys downloading this and checking this one out. And it's called Contacy VN. Now the next one we're going to take a look at is, if I go back into recent, install and recent. Now the next one is the flashlight indicator right here. As you guys can see, this is the tweak, and what this does is basically show an indicator in the top right when the flashlight is on, using the same indicator style as the iOS 14 camera microphone indicator requested by, this is the source. And as you guys can see, this picture right here, right above the battery, Wi-Fi, and the cellular signal, there's a white dot right there, and this is you get the indicator, when you have a flashlight on. So what I'm going to do, if I active my control center, turn on the light, flashlight, as you guys can see, it's on right now, and dismiss, exit, and as you guys can see right there, there's a white dot right there. So if I go back in, as you guys can see right there, the dot, and if I turn it off, as you guys can see, the dot is gone. So just like that, sometimes we turn on the flashlight and we forget to turn it off, and this is a tweak going to help you guys, just for that. So I highly recommend you guys downloading this one and checking this one out. And now the next one we're going to talk about is this one right here, YouTweet Downloader. Now this tweak is really awesome and really handy, and I already, as you guys can see, it's already on my device, and I tested it. It works perfect, and there's no issue, there's no problem with this tweak. And what this does is basically Twitter and YouTube videos downloader, no option to configure, just long press video, simple and free, just like that. So you guys can, tell by the description and the name, from the Twitter, YouTube, or Instagram, for example. If there's any video that you want to download and share with your friends and family, all you have to do, long press on that video, and it will download, and it will be saved to your photo library, and from there you can share on social media or to your friends or family. It's that easy, and I highly recommend you guys downloading this and checking this one out. Now the next Cydia tweak we are going to talk about is the SeeYa right here. As you guys can see, it's called SeeYa. And this one, basically what this do is, as we can read the description, show WhatsApp chat profile photo instead of the app logo in the notification. Work for WhatsApp app business and support to more apps will be added soon. So that this is a brand new Cydia tweak, and the developer is working on adding more application to this, but as of right now is working for the regular personal WhatsApp and WhatsApp app for the business. So every time you get the notification from the WhatsApp application on your notification section on your lock screen, you will actually get the picture of the person who's sending you the tweak, the message, instead of seeing just the regular WhatsApp icon. Now, next one we're going to take a look at is this one right here, HeadphoneTime. So this tweak basically is really simple, really easy to use, and all this tweak does is when holding on Bluetooth on when holding the button on your headphone, it will read out the time instead of activating the Siri. So for example, you have any Bluetooth or headphone or AirPods or whatever, when you're gonna hold on it or hold on the button, it will tell you the time. It will speak the time to you instead activating the Siri. Is that simple? That is the, and these Cydia tweaks that I'm showing you guys, they're not complicated. There's not much to configure from. They're simple, easy. All you have to do, install and make it work. So now the next one is this one right here. As you guys can see, MusicHeart. And what this does is basically, if look at the description, show heart icon next to liked song in the music app. So if you like a song on the Apple Music, Spotify, or any music application you're using, and every time you like a song, it will put the heart sign next to the song, so in the future it's easy for you to find, and that way you can keep track of which song you like and which you don't like. And then I can show you guys the screenshot on Cydia, as you guys can see right here, this just like that. So as you guys can see, there's a 1 through 7 songs, but the song number 2, instead of showing the song number, it shows you the heart next to it. And this is really awesome, and I think it's a really handy tweak for your, when it comes to liking or disliking these songs. Now the next Cydia tweak is basically for the music application as well. This one right here, MusicLength. When you open this up, as you guys can see, show track length in the music app. So basically, it show you the length of the music, just like as you guys can see on the number 3. So there's a 1, 2, and 3. The third song, as you guys can see, there's a red dot, and this is basically indicator how much music have played and how much left. So this is really handy for your music application. You guys can download this one and check this one out. Next one is basically NotifBounce, this one right here. And what this does is basically add bouncing animation to icon with the badge. So let me basically, if there's any application or any app that have notification on and have a badge, that specific application gonna bounce. So let me show you guys on my device. As we can see, so there's the monster coin monster. It have the badge and it's bouncing up and down. And then we got right here, we got the Instagram, Reddit, NDTV, and TikTok. So, and Facebook. These applications have badge, and you guys can see those are the only application bouncing up and down. This is really awesome, and in my opinion, it's really nice animation for your application, and you guys can download that and check this one out. And next one is basically AlwaysAudio, as you guys can see right here. And AlwaysAudio does is always apps to play audio even when mute switch is on. So even your mute switch is on, this tweak will allow you to play audio. And I already tested it on my phone. It works perfect, and I highly recommend you guys downloading this and checking this one out. Now the next one we are going to take a look at is this one right here, AlwaysDark. And AlwaysDark is basically run selected apps always in dark light mode. Might need to restore the app after changing the setting. 3D touch menu for dark and light mode. So let me show you guys the screenshot. So this is as you guys can see right here in the setting, this is the screenshot on the Cydia, that 3D touch on setting application. And as you guys can see, we got 2 extra option, light mode and the dark mode. So once you download this, All you have to do, go to your springboard and 3D touch on any application. So let me open my setting app. As you guys can see, it's dark right now. But if I go back and 3D touch on setting, and as you guys can see right there, there is the dark mode and the light mode. So as of right now, my settings are in dark mode, and if I hit light mode, bam, just like that, it will change to light mode. And now, let's say I open it's in light mode, and if I go back into the 3D touch, hit dark mode, and bam, it changed just like that. It's that simple, that easy, and I mean, I like it, and I hope you guys will like it too. And the next one we are going to take a look at is AudioMix right here. What this does is basically tweak to play two or more audio source at the same time. Doesn't work well with the all apps. Sometimes the first audio still gets paused, so you will have to restore it again. So basically, you can play two audios at the same time. This is really awesome. You can have a music playing on the Apple Music, or you can have a video playing on the YouTube at the same time. I mean, it's fun, and I already tested on my device, and believe me, it is working. And only one thing I want to mention to you guys, that when you guys download this and go to your setting and go to tweak section and then find that tweak, set up your settings. Not much to configure from, and once you do, just respring your device, and once you respring and your device come back, and then you can test two audios at the same time. Now, next one we're going to take a look at is CC balance right here. And CC balance is basically change audio balance in CC. So as you guys can see this screenshot right here. So just look at this picture. You have this bar in the bottom, and you can adjust the audio. Let me show you guys on my device. So this is the audio button. If I 3D touch on this, as you guys can see right here, we got the bar. You can do the left, or you can do right, or you can do right in the middle, 50-50. So just like that, you change that, and it's really handy tool, and you guys can download this and check this one out. Now the next one we are going to take a look at is the HeadphoneLaunch. Now the HeadphoneLaunch basically give you the option automatically launch kill an app when you connect or disconnect headphone configure in setting. So let me show you guys the screenshot. As you guys can see, once you download this, just go to your setting, go to your tweak section, and find HeadphoneLaunch, and you have basically three options. So the first one is to enable this tweak, and then the next one is to kill on disconnect. So you flip this switch, and once you flip this on, and then what you can do, you go to the next section right here, application, select an app to launch. So out of the once you click on this application section, it will give you the access to all the application on your device, and from there you can add or unadd any of the application that you want this tweak to work on. So this one right here, kill on disconnect, kill the app when the headphone get disconnected. So basically, if you're in any meeting, or you're in party, or with friends, and you're listening to music, and all of a sudden your Bluetooth battery die. So the minute the battery gonna die, and that means your music or your device is going to get disconnected from the Bluetooth. And what this tweak will do, it will cut the music right there, it won't let it play in the background. Or normally, if the Bluetooth die, your music start playing on your phone, but this tweak will kill the music, and that way nobody get disturbed. You know what I mean? So this is really handy tweak, and I highly recommend you guys downloading this and checking this one out. And I think that's all for this video. Um, and I just want to say thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also smash that bell icon so you guys get notified when I drop a next video like this. And that's been said. Thank you so much again, and I'll see you guys in the next video.